Hi, welcome to my mom's channel. Today we are going to be making tempura. So we'll be frying up some veg. We have some carrots, sweet potatoes, and zucchini right here, as well as some shrimp, which I will be putting in the fridge right now. To make this, you'll have to have an egg wash, potato starch, and panko breadcrumbs. So for my egg wash, I'll be using 2 eggs, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 5 tablespoons of water. So let's go make that right now. Here's our egg wash. And now I'm going to go ahead and arrange our panko breadcrumbs and our potato starch. Or if you don't have potato starch, you can just use flour. That's fine as well. And I'm going to just arrange it onto a plate, or like on 2 separate plates, to create my little dredging station. I'm not really measuring out anything over here. I'm just kind of using what I need as I go. Make sure to break it up. Okay, great. Here is our station. And I will come back shortly to start. The process is basically going to be the same for everything. So you're just going to take your veg or your meat or your shrimp or whatever. You're going to coat it in your potato starch or your flour, like so. Oops. Then you're going to put it in your egg wash. And then you're going to roll it onto the panko generously. Oops. And there it is, our first one. And you're basically just going to keep doing this until everything is done, I guess. I just finished coating all of the carrots. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to, I guess, the sweet potatoes. Pro tip, if you don't want to have sticky fingers, you can just go ahead and use chopsticks. So again, the process is pick your veg, coat it in the cornstarch or the flour. Oops. Put it into the egg wash. And then roll it in the panko. Or I guess just coat it in the panko. I like to use my fingers for this just to get a better coating. And there it is. Okie dokes. I'll be back when it's time to do the zucchini. So here are sweet potatoes. And now we're going to go ahead and do the zucchini.
I'm just an assistant today. Got that, it's not even
Doesn't fit.
fit in there. Give me another plate, hon. Sweetie. My hands are sticky. Oh, so annoying. We need a flat one. That's fine. Just roll that down. Turn up the pan.
Here's the zucchini. And now we're doing the shrimp.
Hold on.
And now we're done with our shrimp.
It's a lot of work.
And I guess we're moving on to frying now. See you in a bit.
Okay.
Okay, we're frying now. We've heated up our oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the carrots.
So how many minutes to cook that?
I just kind of do it until it's golden brown.
Golden brown.
Not really sure how long.
Okay. Put more. Put more.
Hold on. Oh, space.
There's a lot of space.
You don't want to overcrowd it either.
Okay, now we're putting on the, what's it called? Potato. So how many minutes?
It's like 2 minutes on each side.
2 minutes on each side. Alright. Ow! I got a timer here. There you go, 2 minutes. Woo! Okay, now let's flip it over. Too much work with this, my sweetheart. So much work. So, what else? 2 minutes again?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes, ma'am. We need to buy another timer. What are you not saying?
Oh, well now we're doing the zucchini.
What do you put more in there?
I just started putting.
You can put all that there.
You don't want to overcrowd the pan.
No, it's not. You definitely can put all that.
No, I can't. It's too much.
Yes. Just all inside. The one is shrunk when it's cooked. See? The one there. There you go. Good job.
Finally, we're going to go ahead and fry the shrimp.
Finally.
Finally.
And then you can put this shrimp here. Just like almost 2 minutes on each side. No, not even 2 minutes. 1.5 minutes maybe. You can go like that. That was so worth. I think 2 minutes on each side.
So here's the final product, our tempura, and I'm serving it with this sauce. I mean, you can just buy tempura sauce at the store, but I made my own. And the recipe for this sauce is 3/4 cup of dashi stock, or if you don't have dashi stock, you can just use chicken broth or even just water. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, which is a sweet sake for cooking, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Yep. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.
Okay,
Okay.
let's try it.
It's not really good.
It's good?
Mhm.
Okay,
I didn't overcook the shrimp.
that's good.